there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Today we're going to do our beginner take on a popular trend that you may have heard of, walking backwards.
Oh boy.
Right. Now, walking backwards has many benefits, including improved balance, okay? Help prevent falls, right?
Yeah.
Better brain function.
I need that.
Need coordination to do the move.
Definitely need that.
That's right. And then also stronger lower body.
Definitely need that.
to do those daily activities like walking. Now, it can also help reduce knee pain because it minimizes the impact on your joints.
Yeah,
all right?
that's good.
Now, safety is super important with this movement. Be near a wall, countertop, something that you can hold on to while doing it. Also, you can have a cane or umbrella. This is a golf umbrella for stability, or, as my mom said, a walker can also be helpful.
Right.
And
Human.
humans can also be helpful as well. So let us demonstrate that, Mom. Let me hold on to you here, and you can walk. I will be your eyes, and walk forward. And now you be my eyes as I walk backward.
See?
Okay?
That's simple.
That's right. And fun, right?
Get
Human
exercise.
connection.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right? So how's that all sound?
Sounds good. Let's go. Something
All right.
different.
Great. We'll take a pause here and get started with our warm-up. All right, let's start by just warming it up. Okay, nice gentle marches here. You can pick those knees up, all the better.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, and stand tall. Yeah. Your shoulders, hips in alignment, your posture, okay? Wake everything up.
Wake everything up.
And breathe.
Get your brain working.
That's
Get your
right.
heart moving.
Yep, exactly. Okay, breathe it out. Keep it going.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, we're gonna go into some gentle side steps here. Side step. Okay, good. Yes, now in this workout, we're going to be alternating intervals, okay? So we're gonna do 1 minute of walking backwards.
Oh boy.
That's right. With then a rest period
Okay.
of doing some like regular forward stuff.
Active rest.
Active rest. And then we're gonna do several other rounds of walking backward just to ease you into it because, you know, it's a new movement. So you wanna practice it slowly and get into it slowly. March it out.
Yeah.
Okay? So we'll just be alternating so that you can get better and better.
Right.
And let us know what you think. You know, if you want a longer walking backwards workout, we can do that too. Okay, but we just want to get you started and get used to the movement.
You get to see all you miss when you're walking backwards.
That's right. That's right. Okay, we're going to step it back here, everybody. Step it back. Okay, there you go. Right. Step it back. This is actually preparing you to walk backwards. Okay, engaging those glutes, your hamstrings, your calves.
Yeah. I feel it in my knees, you know?
Oh, do you feel it? Okay, yeah. Gentle, gentle. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
No, I mean, you can feel the action.
And action in your knees. Okay, march it out. March it out. Okay, good job. Okay, good work. All right. Now, here I want you to actually use the wall with this next one. Okay, so Mom, can you come to the wall? Let's do those ankle flexes here. Okay? Point and flex, point and flex. Okay? Really get the ankles ready to move.
Sounds good.
Okay? Also, we're working our standing leg. You probably feel it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And down, and point and flex. Good. All right. Nice. Okay, point and flex, point and flex. Circles, please. Good. Let's wake those ankles up. Okay, and other way. Very nice. Everybody awake? Awesome. Okay. March it out gently here. And we're just going to do some reaches just to wake up that upper body. So we'll be using the upper body too. Okay. Okay, good. Give me 4 more from here. This is 4. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. All right. Nice work on this warm up. We'll take a pause and get started with our walking backwards workout. All right, so let's do this, Mom. You want to do a human version first?
Sure.
Okay. All right, everybody. So again, my mom and I are holding on to each other here, right? She is also next to the wall. And I'm going to set ourselves for 1 minute, and you're going to walk backwards. Go.
Right.
1. And you're going to turn around, and you're going to walk again.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay.
How
Keep
do
it
we
going.
look? How do we look?
Okay, and stop. See, so I'm your eyes. Turn around. Right?
Oh yeah, you're my eyeballs.
On your eyes, yeah. So you don't have to worry,
No.
okay?
I can close my eyes, in fact.
You actually could. Okay, turn. And you know, so
I
we're
won't, though.
staying in frame, you know,
Yeah.
here. But this is, you get the idea
Right.
of what's happening here. Okay, go ahead. And keep going, keep going, keep going.
walking.
Keep walking. Okay,
I know you can feel it in your legs.
yeah, and gentle, okay?
Yeah.
Really slow. I really want slow, measured movements. So really make sure that you're planting that foot. It's not a speed race here.
Right.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Not a speed race. Okay. And then turn. Good. And back. And I'm gonna give you one more. And stop. Okay, rest. That was 1 minute, everybody.
Good.
How'd that feel, Mom?
Sounds good.
Okay, let's march it out.
Sounds good, I mean. Yeah.
March it out. So that just kind of gave you a little introduction to what the walking backwards feels like, right? All right, give me some toe taps forward, okay?
Well, it is different.
Uh-huh. You feel like a different use of the muscles.
Yeah, and you're always conscious of your balance.
That's right. Exactly.
Yeah.
And it helps, again, if you have a friend or a loved one.
Yeah.
Nearby.
That's really a good idea.
Okay, and good, and just march it out. Just want to kind of get you used to it. Now I'm going to challenge you on the next round, Mom,
Okay.
to use Mr. Umbrella here, okay? All right, and so why don't you come on this side here, come all the way over here, okay? Okay, yeah, that's right, you have to go, gotta go the other way. And let's do this for a minute, and I will coach you, so go ahead. Okay, so you can hold on to the wall. Yeah, go slow. Slow, and stop, turn. Good. Okay. So Mom's modeling how to use a support, okay? We're going, keep it going. All right, about another 20 seconds.
Actually, the wall is more support. Isn't it?
Okay, good, but I just want folks to see.
Yeah, no, I hear it.
Give you examples, okay? Okay, turn. Good, you got this. Good. Have another few more seconds, 20 seconds or so. Good, turn. Good, keep it going.
You can feel it in your muscles,
Where do you feel it?
in my calves.
Yes. Slow, go slowly. Coming up, a few more seconds, turn. Good. I like how you're using the wall, holding on to the wall for balance.
Balance.
Very good, and done, and rest.
Ooh,
Okay.
good job.
All right, nice. Okay, so march it out again, okay? We're gonna be doing intervals here. So just doing our little intervals, march it out. So you're not like just walking backwards the whole time. My little umbrella is not cooperating. Okay,
It's a good idea.
all right, very good. Okay, give me some of those toe taps forward again, okay? Toe taps forward, good. Yeah, so this is kind of a nice break from the walking backwards, right?
Yeah.
So, you know, if you want to do a longer walking backwards workout, you know, you have to build up slowly.
Yeah.
You know, so this is just an introduction
Absolutely.
to get you used to.
Be safe.
Yeah,
Take
the
your
motion,
time.
right? And again, you know, you can walk backwards on a treadmill at a super low speed or with no speed, right? And hold on to the handles, okay?
Oh, that would be interesting. On the treadmill.
Yeah. Okay, march it out. But again, safety is most important. So
Absolutely.
make sure that you're doing what is right for you. Okay? Just give me some nice gentle step outs here. Okay? Step it out. Step it out. Step out from the center. Good, yes. Just want to give you other exercises to work that lower
Coordination.
body. That's right.
My
Okay.
Achilles heel. is
Good.
coordination.
Work. All right, very nice. Okay, we're gonna do another round
Okay.
of 1 minute, yes?
All right.
Okay, why don't you come over here? Okay, very good. Now this time, just with the wall.
I'm going to use the wall.
Okay, it seems like you're most comfortable with that. Okay, go ahead. Okay, and turn. 2, 4, yes,
It's funny.
Good.
Your body really fights your balance.
and turn.
Because it knows it's not doing
No,
something
right.
normal. Right?
Right, it's not the normal thing.
Not-
You're used
yeah.
to moving forward, right?
Right.
Okay, good.
So your brain is saying, wait a minute, what
Yes.
are you doing?
Yeah, so you have to, yeah, like it challenges the brain, right?
Yeah.
Improves brain function because you really have to concentrate, okay, on really, you know, doing this different movement. Good.
Besides, you probably like this. You don't have to do anything.
I'm getting a break here. That's right. I'm getting some rest. Okay, keep going. You got about 5 more seconds here. You're looking good. I like this. This is a great workout.
I bet you do.
This is a great workout. Okay, and rest, and rest. Okay, march it out again. All right, nice work, everybody. Okay, breathe it out. Breathe, breathe, breathe.
Yeah, keep breathing.
Okay.
Keep breathing.
Really, really nice.
You're doing good.
Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, give me those toe taps again forward. Yes. See how I'm slipping in these steps?
Yeah.
Here, sneaky steps.
Yeah.
Sneaky steps during this little rest period. Okay, very nice. Now I just want you to walk forward, 1, 2, 3, and touch. And then we're going to walk backward, 1, 2, 3, and touch. 1, 2, 3, and touch. Good. So yeah, so we do these.
Mm-hmm.
This is actually really nice.
Like a little dance move.
Yes, 1, 2, and touch. Good. And rest. Okay, rest. You ready to do another round?
Yep.
Okay, so you're going to do, this is your choice, what you want to do. You like the wall?
Yeah.
Looks like, okay.
Yeah. I think
Wall's good, right? Okay, all right. Doing it. We're on, everybody. Go. 4 minute. Okay, turn. Good. Keep it going. You're at your countertop. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, you're doing great. Okay, and turn. And your countertop. Go. Keep it going.
I'm trying here.
I'm watching you. Looking good. All right, stop and turn. Even the turn is an exercise move. Very good. Okay, keep going. Got another 25 seconds here. Good, turn. Okay, good. Keep it going. Good. All right, very nice. And stop and turn. 10 more seconds. Stop and turn. You're not done yet.
Oh,
you're not done yet. She's like, oh, you thought you're all done. No, you're not done. No, keep going.
I was done.
No, no, no. I'm telling you to go one more time since you cheated on that one. One more time.
I'm just listening to you.
Now stop. All right, very good. Now you can do your little swivel move. Very good. All right. Nice work on this backward workout. Okay,
Yeah,
let's cool it down. Okay, let's do a nice little hamstring stretch here. So one leg bent, other one straight. Woo! You work those hamstrings.
Yeah.
Big time. Hamstrings and glutes really work in the glutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, other side. You work your whole posterior chain more. So your glutes, your hamstrings, your calves, everybody.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job.
Hold, 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 and come up. Very nice. We're gonna do that calf stretch that we do, so you can do it against the wall.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do one leg bang forward, other leg straight back with the heel down, okay? Hips facing to the side. Breathe.
Good job.
Okay, nice work. Nice work, breathe. Whew. Oh yeah, hold. Okay, so let's switch legs. Okay, nice. Oh, yes.
Okay.
That feels good. It's nice to open up that hip.
Yep.
Definitely. Okay.
That's good.
Great. Okay. Okay. Let's face everybody, Mom. Let's do some gentle hip circles. Okay. Gentle hip circles like a hula hoop.
Yeah.
Okay. And reverse it.
How many people know the hula hoop?
Oh, actually, it's very popular still.
Yeah.
I see young kids doing it. It's pretty impressive. All right. Great. Okay. Give me 3 inhale, exhales, and up and down. And again, according to your range of motion, everybody, just want you to move the arms a little bit. Okay, 2, good. And 3, and up. If you can clap it, great. Or maybe reach, nice little stretch over down here. Okay, and center, another side. Good, and center, and down. Nice work on this beginner walking backward workout.
Good job.
Yes. Thank you so much for joining us. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment, let us know what you thought, and subscribe to our channel. We love to help you get stronger and healthier. So look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, keep walking forwards and backwards.
See you soon.
See you soon.